What's going on, everybody? Gabe
and Nikki
from Theme Park Duo. We are here because we have a fun unboxing that we wanted to do. Knott's Berry Farm recently opened up an online marketplace where you could buy some of your favorite boysenberry goods.
And we took advantage.
Definitely took advantage. Knott's Berry Farm is one of our favorite places to go. We absolutely missed the fact that,
Boysenberry Festival got canceled.
Exactly.
Yeah, because the park's closed. But we were really looking forward to that, as were so many people. So this is a way for us to try to make some of this stuff ourselves.
Pretty much. So we're going to open this up today. You guys are going to see what we bought. We didn't buy a whole bunch.
Just a little bit.
Just a couple things, and then we'll probably end up breaking the bank a bit later.
Probably.
So, yeah. So first off, we just need a knife. Nikki has the knife.
I have the knife.
Weirdo. You're scaring me. Let's just open it up.
Okay, I think you should. Actually, I
don't trust you with the knife, is mainly.
But if you look at the track record of which one of us have cut our fingers more,
that's definitely
it's you.
Just because the corn on the cob incident happened doesn't mean that a box incident.
Well, after the corn on the cob incident, there have been
I'm opening it up.
Okay, fine. Gabe has cut himself more with knives.
That is not a lie.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely not a lie.
I did cut my finger cutting an avocado, though.
You did. I don't know how you did that.
Whoosh! Whoosh. I was holding it.
Oh, I thought you were just cutting your palm for like a sacrificial statement.
No, I was just trying to cut half an avocado.
For some reason, it came in a box that says Sticky Fingers Bakery. This is 6 bags of original scone mix, which I did not order scone mix.
No, I think they're reusing boxes.
Probably just a receipt.
Yeah, it's just a packing slip.
So, first one. Oh, they packed them pretty nicely.
Nice.
Like, put them in padding.
They're in glass, so they should.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, I'm excited about this one.
That's a pretty jar.
Yes, it is. So the first one is Premium Boysenberry Preserves. That's the first one we got here. I am beyond excited to put this on toast.
So we only got 2 things, so this is the second thing we got. And I'm excited about this. Boysenberry barbecue sauce. We're gonna make some chicken.
So we're gonna take this, put it on boneless, skinless chicken breast, put it in the crock pot, let it soak and cook overnight. So we're gonna try to do another video where we make like a boysenberry pulled chicken sandwich with coleslaw.
If you want,
so that's the plan.
We can do another video where we make toast.
That toast is a definite exciting food.
Yeah.
Yes, so very, very excited about this boysenberry barbecue sauce. This is what they use on a good amount of the food at Knott's during Boysenberry Festival. So really excited about this. I'm pretty sure... Oh my god, you just said don't open it, and you just opened it. What the hell? So we're going to be doing some food stuff with the Boysenberry barbecue sauce. These are the 2 items we got. If you guys want to purchase anything from the Boysenberry Marketplace, you can head over to knotts.com, find the link to the marketplace, and make a purchase of, they have these 2 items. They also have cornbread mix. They have the biscuit mix. A lot of boysenberry items.
Yeah.
And have that shipped to your house, or starting on the 1st of next month, which is May.
Curbside pickup.
They'll have curbside pickup. Who knows when they're going to start doing curbside pickup on This Is Knott's Chicken Dinner. But
hopefully soon.
When they do, we will be doing that.
Gabe will commute all the way down there.
Do you have work to commute? No, I'm not commuting to work. Commuting to chicken.
Commute into chicken.